Writing code is not a big deal, but writing a good and quality code is really a big deal. If you are a developer or a code reviewer, then this video is for you. I grow as a developer. I deeply understand feelings and pain of a developer. I know where a developer can make mistakes. So in this video, I am going to tell about 10 common mistakes of a developer. Number 1 is poor variable naming. Poor variable naming downgrades your code quality no matter how experienced developer you are. Sometimes we randomly give variable names A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Later on we confuse what is the use of the variable. Number 2, lack of comments. Your code without comments is just like a bride without a makeup. Yeah, that's right. If you think everyone love your code, then use proper comments in your code so that later on everyone can understand what is the use of the code. Number 3 is no unit testing. Sometimes developer not test their code on their local system and directly send into QA. It's downgrade a developer's performance and productivity because later on he has to rework on the same code. Number 4, use of hard-coded values. Sometimes a developer directly use hard-coded values instead of using variables. It's a temporary and quick fix. Always use dynamic variables instead of hard-coded values. Number 5 is not using version controls. In some organizations, developer not use version controls. If you are not using a version control, then you can't maintain a history of your code. Number 6 is no error and exception handling. Sometimes a developer not use error handling in their code. Then their code misbehave and give surprises in later on. Number 7 is no security checks. Normally a developer use validations in their code base, but not think about outside attacks. So how hackers or someone else can attack their code base. Number 8 is inefficient use of algorithms. Sometimes a developer direct copy paste code without understanding the actual use of the algorithm or function, and it causes the performance issues. Number 9, no proper naming convention. Every language has its own naming conventions. So a developer should use proper naming conventions from variable name to class name to spacing and all. Number 10th is no refactoring. Sometimes developer write down all the code in a single function instead of refactoring the code into different functions. So these all are 10 common mistakes which a developer normally makes. If you are a code reviewer, then you have to at least check these points. Apart from that, there are a lot of things in which you have to verify in during reviewing the code, but at least you should check all these 10 mistakes of a developer. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.